Nelson Mandela said, which you can use to change the world. Hi everyone, my name is Kaviesha. I am 11 years old. I am from Kids Public Speaking Bangsa Sub. If I can change one thing in this world, it would be to abolish examinations in school. Why? I am not a lazy person. I like to go to school. I like reading and learning new things. But I dislike examinations. Since the first day I stepped into school, my parents and teachers reminded me to study hard to pass the examinations with flying colors. If not, I will not come up top in class ranking. Class ranking stressed me out. I shuddered when the word class ranking is announced. My mom often reminded me that because we are the millennium children, we have to work harder to get good results in the examinations. So I asked myself, do I only study hard to pass the examination? I am certain other children have the same question. What is the purpose of school? Is it to do well in examination and get good grades? I don't think so. The purpose of education is to gain knowledge, learn new things, and explore the world with our mind and to learn to think for ourselves. It is not to pass or even ace the examination. We should not be defined by our examination results. We have to learn how to build characters such as perseverance, empathy, compassion, grit, and develop the love for learning. I believe if all of us have the love of learning and strength of characters, we can learn to face rejection, deal with failures, and take up challenges with finesse and courage. With compassion, we can heal the world to make it a better place for you and me and the entire human race. We make ourselves physically and mentally sick because of examination pressure. Here is my final message to all my dear friends. Please don't feel frustrated or beat yourself up if you are not doing well in your examinations. Do not let the examination result define who you are. You are more than the results. And remember, don't ever let the examination results take away your interest in learning. Let's abolish examinations. Let's make learning fun again. Thank you.